Alright, we are back working on the 99 EK sedan. We're going to get the engine removed today. So the only thing left are the mounts, the rear T-bracket, this mount, and then the two torque mounts. I thought that the crank sensor was attached, like the clip was down there, but this was just zip tied up here, so we don't have to remove any of that, any of the timing cover to disconnect that, because it already is. We have a mess of wires back here, but there's one other thing. Underneath we have the cable, the selector, shift selector or transmission selector that we need to remove, and there's this piece right here that you need to unbolt to get inside of here to remove that cable. And for what I remember, there's like a crush washer or some shit that's a major pain in the ass to remove, but we're about to get it done. So we need to remove this thing right here. There's one bolt right here, and then I think we need to unscrew this bolt right here. I'm pretty sure, but I know for sure we got to remove this. All right, so I had to take this bracket off. This thing right here, in order to slide this cover off, this cover, so now we can access this piece right here. There's just a 10 mil bolt right here, but it's got this little thing on it to keep it from spinning, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get it off, and I believe that's it. All right, we got that off of there. Basically hooks onto this piece right here, and that's pretty much it. Now we can start getting these mounts. All right, next we're going to start removing these front torque mounts, one there and one over here. This one is basically the mount for the AC compressor, so we got to remove this whole thing down here. I think it's all like 14 millimeter bolts, and there's like 4 of them. Should be pretty easy. All right, we got this side done, and the mount is not even connected. All the rubber's gone, so I might want to replace this, probably. Now let's get this side. There's a bolt here, and then there's one right here, and then up here there's 2 that go up underneath. There's one over here and one over here. All right, we got this one off. Now we need to get the T-bracket. Okay, so there's two bolts right here, one there and one there. And then we have that one right there. And then on this side we have this one right there. So there's 4 bolts on the T-bracket. I've broke them all free. Now all I need to do is loosen them and pull them out. All right, we got the T-bracket removed. We've got our block on here so we can wrap our engine hoist to it. We need to pull the engine hoist over here, connect it to the block, and we can start removing this mount and this mount. And then we should just be able to pull it on up and the engine's out. All right, we got this mount removed. And we got this mount removed. We might need to remove the mount itself from the frame just because of clearance issues, but maybe not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this mount because of clearance issues. I wish I could take it out the bottom, but because the exhaust, the header is welded directly to the pipe, I can't really do that. So let's remove this mount. All right, I had forgotten about this axle, so I started jacking it up and then realized the axle was still in there, and I hit my knee, and it was one of those hits that you start seeing stars, and it was like, oh my god, that hurt so goddamn bad. I don't know why, but it did. All right, let's get this thing jacked out of here and pull it out. All right, I think I need to take the alternator off because it keeps getting wedged because the shock tower, it kind of rides inward, and so we're gonna do that. All right, I do believe this engine is definitely designed to come out from the bottom and not the top. We got the engine out. It was a pain in the ass, but we got it out. And I probably should clean all this up, but I'm not going to. I don't care that much. I just want to get this done and get it out of my driveway. Alright, we got the engine out. It took way longer than it should have, but you know, it always does. I guess in the next video we're going to do the Mini-Me build. We need to swap a lot of stuff over from the Y8 or the Y7 engine. And I do want to see if the Y7 oil pump will fit on the B8. It probably won't, but you know, it's worth a shot. But I'm tired and I'm hungry and I'm being eaten up by mosquitoes, so I'm gonna make this short and end it right here. Anyway, I appreciate all of you guys, all the views, all the subscribers. You guys are awesome, and I hope to see you all in the next video.